Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Accord front bumper. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver, a ratchet with appropriate sockets, and a trim removal tool. Make sure your new bumper matches your specific Honda Accord model. Park your car on a level surface and engage the parking brake to ensure safety throughout the process. Next, we'll remove the old bumper. Start by locating and removing all screws and plastic clips that secure the bumper to the fenders, grille, and undercarriage. If your car has fog lights or sensors, carefully disconnect their wiring harnesses. With all fasteners removed, gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle, releasing any remaining hidden clips. Now, let's install your new bumper. Carefully align the new bumper with the mounting points on your Honda Accord's frame and fenders. If you disconnected any fog lights or sensors, reconnect them to their wiring harnesses. Once aligned, secure the new bumper using the original screws and clips, ensuring a snug and proper fit all around. Finally, perform some crucial checks. Double-check all screws and clips to ensure the new bumper is firmly attached and there are no loose points. Test your fog lights and any sensors to confirm they are working properly. Give the new bumper and surrounding areas a good clean for a professional, polished finish. You've successfully replaced your front bumper.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.